Alright, jumping to these styles of my mini twist. I'm not going to explain everything into detail, but I do want to show you. Here's a look. You know how some people like their locks in their face or whatever? Here's another style. Okay, here's another look. Y'all make sure y'all share this with someone who wears mini twists or someone who has locks, because this is gorgeous. These mini twists are so versatile. All right, next. I'm trying to think of some different styles that's like, you know, not your average. Yeah. Here's another look. Like, how stinking adorable. Let's switch from the updos. Ooh, it's the chingy for me. It's the chingy. Okay, here's another look. I love it, I love it, I love it! Yo, this is so dope with these two pieces down. Oh my goodness! Here's a style. Side part eat every time. Simple. Middle part eat every time. All up in the ponytail eat every time. The face is getting. Oh, Tarek, what was you doing? You was doing a side part. Even if I have been asleep. Ooh! With the bun in 2 pieces. Here's another look. All right, really quick, let's do the side swoop. Let's have it come into this side. Oh, well, before we swoop it, here's a look. Okay, here's a style. And you see I got started on my 2-strand twist. Let me show you how I'm doing them real easy. And I'm just tying a little knot at the bottom. Let me show you how I do the end. I take it, wrap it around my finger, and just literally put it into a knot. Slide it down, and it stays. They look so good. I'm so in love with them. Okay, let me do the rest. So dope. All right, so here's the 2-strand twist. They are so adorable. I did that. I love it. All right, you guys, so that's all for these styles. Come on, mailman. All right. All right, you guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for sticking with me through all of these styles. So many options, plus there's dozens and dozens of more styles that you can achieve with these mini twists. Go ahead and thumbs up this video if you haven't already. Share it with a friend and tell them share it with a friend, and definitely let me know which style was your favorite. Make sure you click the link down below so you can go check out my install video, as well as the update to let you know everything you need to know about these mini twists. Oh, my camera right now.